Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life. So guys, I have amazing collection to show with you. These are amazing bags of Crochet Patrons. They are really stylish and unique. I hope you will definitely love these bags which are included in this video, and you will enjoy the video because it has so many designs and bags, and you can make these bags by yourself, and you can just enjoy wearing these amazing bags. When you're going out, you can just carry these bags with any kind of outfit in any occasion. All the bags are really amazing with amazing color combination and patterns. If you're liking this video, if you're enjoying this video, please share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these amazing collection, and they can also make these bags for themselves. As you can see, all our new fashion bag, they are really stylish with amazing 3D flowers and patterns on them, and I hope you will love this collection. If you want to watch the more collections about the crochet, just to go to my channel. You will find so many designs and videos on my channel regarding crochet patterns. And guys, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I post any video, any crochet related video, you just get the notification and you can just enjoy the video, enjoy the collection on time, and share these videos with your friends so that they can also enjoy these collections. And guys, please let me know about the feedback, about your views on my videos, so that I can make more video according to your views, according to your likings. Wait for my upcoming videos on my channel. I'll be posting more amazing collections and designs on my channel, and you will watch them time to time, and I hope you will just give your time and love to my videos as you are already giving. And you can see all the bags are really stylish and eye-catching. You can match these bags with your amazing outfits, and you can wear these bags on any kind of occasions. As you can see guys, they all are really amazing and stylish bags. I make these kind of video, collect these information, and make these collections to give you idea about the fashion and designs which are in nowadays and which are in fashion, and give you the idea. And I just make sure that you don't miss out any pattern, any design, any idea of crochet. That's why I'm making so many videos on the crochet about different collections. And guys, these kind of videos are full of designs and patterns. I have so many videos on my channel. They are about the lifestyle, home decor, clothing, and so many things. If you want to make any kind of crochet project, you're planning to making the amazing crochet project, don't go to different kind of websites. You just come to my channel. You will find hundreds and hundreds of ideas on my channel, and you will definitely love the designs and patterns which are shared on my channel. And guys, I hope you will definitely enjoy this video, and already enjoying this video. Watch the full video. You will definitely find special and amazing designs on this collection. And guys, if you want to just watch something special, let me know. I'll be making the videos on your request. And just stick to my channel, wait for the upcoming videos. Here you will be watching amazing designs in future, as I'm going to share so many amazing designs in my future videos. Just watch the full videos which I'll share with you. You will definitely love the videos, and if you like them, please share with your friends so that they can also enjoy these amazing collections. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks for giving your time. Thank you.